Juno was mad, he knew he'd been had, so he shot at the sun with a gun. Shot at the sun with a gun. Shot at his wily one only friend.
In the gallows or the ghetto, in the town or the meadow, in the billows, even over the sun, every end of a time is another begun. You understand mechanical hands, or the ruler of everything. Ruler of everything. I'm the ruler of everything in the end. Do you like how I dance? I got zirconium pants.
Consequential enough to slip you into a trance.
Do you like how I walk? Do you like how I talk? Do you like how my face disintegrates into chalk? I have a wonderful wife, I have a powerful job. She criticizes me for being egocentric. You practice your mannerisms into the wall. If this mirror were clear, I'd be standing so tall. I saw you slobber over clovers on the side of the hill. I was observing the birds,
Circling with a kill. I've been you, I know you, your facade is a scam.
you know you're making me cry, this is the way that I am. I've been living a lie, a metamorphical scheme.
Detective undercover brotherhood, objective obscene.
Oh no, no, oh yeah.
The end, no, you know, must be never really comprehended. You can't believe it, pretend to understand. You resemble a fool, but you only are meant to give it up and smile.
You understand mechanical hands, or the ruler of everything. Ruler of everything. I'm the ruler of everything in the end.
Without looking down, gliding around like a bumbling dragon I fly, scraping my face on the sky.